any topic which is related to the main topic. Niche is trending in these countries. This niche is gonna be profitable for you. Hello everyone, this is Hanan. Welcome to Amazon Affiliate and SEO Complete course. Today we're going to have our lecture number 7. In the previous lecture I mentioned, let's go through this Amazon Affiliate Marketing niche criteria, volume and DA and criteria for the Google AdSense, and the important thing to continue for this practice for this course. You need to buy all these tools. If you can buy, if you have a good budget, if you're low on budget, you can reach me out on Instagram and I can provide these tools with a low price. Today we're gonna have look at this niche versus keyword. This is very important lecture because mostly students got confused between niche and keyword. Niche is basically our main topic. We can call it the main topic is niche, and whereas if you talk about the keywords, keywords are any topic which is related to the main topic. It's not a main topic, but it's related to the main topic. So this is the keyword. Let's start with an example. Suppose our niche is best toaster oven. This is our niche. Now best toaster oven under $200. That's a keyword for. I hope you will be cleared about the difference between niche and keyword. And let's have an example for best running shoes. This is the niche, and best running shoes for male, it's a keyword. So best running shoes for female and keyword same like that. Above best running shoes under $100, or if you what we need to look at shoes, at running shoes, or in running shoes at the time of buying. It could be in keyword. This is a keyword. This is not an exact niche. So if you talk about an example of Google AdSense niche, so let's have a Clash of Titans. Suppose this is our niche gaming website. We can say how to install Clash of Titans on Android. Okay, this is a keyword. I hope you will be cleared about the difference between affiliate and niche. So let me give you more ideas to find a niche. Google AdSense, you can find it could be a PC softwares, gaming, related to tech or sports. This is an overall ideas for the Google AdSense niche. Whereas viewers, in the last today's last lecture, if you affiliate niche, in affiliate niche, trend must be from US, UK, Canada, Australia. So these are top 4 countries from where the top trend should from these countries, must be from these countries, because if you have a good traffic and your niche is trending in these countries, this niche is gonna be profitable for you. So that's all from today. I hope you'll be cleared between the difference niche and keyword. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.